Red, white, and blue political coverage now, and the Wisconsin Supreme Court today refused to hear appeals on a judge's ruling that blocked the state's voter ID law. That law requires voters to show a photo ID before casting a ballot. The court did not give a reason for turning down that case.
But one challenge to the voter ID law made its way into a Dane County courtroom today. Lacey Crisp is live with more on that story. Lacey?
Yeah, that's right. It's full speed ahead here in Madison. Now that the state Supreme Court has decided it won't hear the voter ID case. Now, the two sides disagree over whether having to get a state-issued ID will prevent voters from hitting the polls. Just a couple of hours into the trial over the state's new voter ID law, the state Supreme Court handed down its decision not to take up the case.
It means that Judge Flanagan's trial, which started today, will be allowed to continue.
The Attorney General tried appealing Flanagan's initial decision for a temporary block on the law and sent this statement about the Supreme Court's decision. We are surprised and disappointed. We'll continue to believe that prompt action is required by an appellate court and will continue to pursue this matter in the Court of Appeals. For the plaintiffs, this doesn't change the way they will argue their case.
We've always thought it was very important. We've always thought that the right of people to vote is the most fundamental, precious right that people have.
The judge hearing the case came under fire last month after issuing a temporary injunction because he signed a Walker recall petition and didn't disclose that information. Flanagan will hear the trial that the Department of Justice argues has no merit.
The evidence that is expected to be presented at trial will not identify a single eligible elector who is unable to obtain a state-issued ID card.
And coming up tonight at 6, we'll explain why one expert admits there is voter fraud, but why he says this new law won't prevent it. On your side live inside the Dane County Courthouse, Lacey Crisp, today's TMJ4.
All right, thank you for the update, Lacey.